completed an El Capitan-tier build on a Sprinter 170. CA-tuned bumper. Baja Designs LP9 Pros. Light bar. Van speed pop-outs. Ladder tire carrier combo. Rack Attack hitch mount. Monster box. One-up back trays. Side steps. And an SCA pop top with 300 watts of solar mounted to the top. In the front of the vanlife headliner shelf is adding some additional storage. This is a removable jump seat. When it's not in use, they can take it out and use that extra space. This is a bench seat storage combo. So underneath, there's storage. And there is a lagoon table over here. This ladder is removable. I'm just leaving it up for the video. The control panel is located in this upper cabinet along with the Starlink. Beautiful fridge freezer combo for all your chilling, cooling, and freezing needs. Tiled shower with a Lavio dry flush for dropping logs. Floor to ceiling closet space, shelves on top, and garment racks down below. There's a pass-through to the garage so that you can access the garage from the inside of the van in case you're afraid of going outside at night. Like me. This is a queen-size memory foam mattress. Above the bed, we have the overhead cabinets as well as the soft overhead cabinets. These are from vanlife. I can't tell you how much I love this product. They will fold down if you don't need them. They're super easy to store away. They do come with a carrying strap, so you can use these as a go bag. Personally, I would use it for like camping stuff or like a little beach bag. These hang up super easy. These hook directly into the J-track. Let me show you how easy this is. Boom, that's it. The Nomadic X2 is above the bed, keeping you super crispy and cold and all summer long. 32-inch TV on a swivel. Underneath this beautiful acacia butcher block, we've got cabinet space, drawer space, and built into the countertop is a double induction cooktop. A whole microwave up top, the butcher block cover for the sink, potable water, and the extended countertop, giving you a little bit more room when you're in here cooking and cutting up some cutlets. And now, upstairs. So we've got the bed up here. This is a super cozy mattress. It does have cushioning underneath. And look at these views, man. Just gorgeous. All the way around. Thanks for joining me on this week's Van Tour Tuesday. We'll see you next week.